Development targets significant market demand with an appetite for over 1 million square feet of logistics and warehouse space. And when I think about where Jamaica is heading, especially as a logistics hub, there is need for those kind of, areas. And I can even think about, what's the benefit of having spaces like that? Suppose I was to like buy something like that. I think of myself as an investor, and I had this space
Mm-hmm.
and so on. Like, how could I sell this even better? Do I fix up the roads, as you say? Do I turn that land into, a special economic zone? And then it has that tax benefit and so on. And then that's value add. So I can sell that at a premium. You start to think about all the things you can do with that space because there's an appetite for that. And I think for Jamaica specifically and where we are in the Caribbean and so on, we need more of that. I think the Prime Minister even said it too, like manufacturing is one avenue. Logistics is also a huge avenue and a huge, huge avenue for us to grow. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I see a lot of value creation in that space. A lot of value creation in that space.
A ton. But that's
Yeah.
where the real money is, no?